All right, here you actually run into the problem where you cannot rank your issues within the backlog or within the active sprint itself. Well, because priorities of the issues may actually can change, and you are required to actually do this in order to, well, do some of the grooming for your backlog. But what happens is if you try to rank some of these issues, I can actually do this. But what if you actually run into an error that is basically saying that you cannot do something like that? You cannot move this issue, for example, to be above this one. So that is why you're actually lacking two permissions in here. So first permission that you're actually lacking is going the schedule issues permission, even though it says here you're actually able to edit an issue's due date, which is true, but also it allows you to actually do the ranking along with the editing of the issue itself. So that means you also need to have the edit issues permission. Yes, the edit issues permission does all of kinds of operations when it comes to editing an issue, like editing fields, adding some comments, changing the description, changing the summary, and all of those great things. But also the edit issues allows you to actually convert your issue type from one type to the another type. But overall, in order to actually be able to do the ranking, you actually need to do that. Also, another thing that is really important is ranking needs to be enabled. So when you actually go to your board settings and in details, when you scroll down within the filter details, this option needs to be turned on. Otherwise, it won't actually work. So it's saying order by the rank itself. What does it mean is when we actually go to this filter and when we actually look at the JQL from it, we can see that there is actually the order by keyword in here. So since that is in there, we can actually know that the ranking itself will be applied. And yeah, that is how you actually resolve that issue. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See ya.